Hello students, good morning. Once again, welcome back to English lecture. Today we are going to learn English Kumar Bharti Unit 3, lesson number 3.5. The name of the lesson is Unbeatable Supermom, Mary Kom. Here the lesson Unbeatable Supermom Mary Kom. Here the word unbeatable means not easy to defeat. So let us begin with the lesson Unbeatable Supermom Mary Kom. So before explaining the lesson, first let me introduce about Mary Kom. Mary Kom Chung-ni Chong Mary Kom was born on 24th November 1982, better known as Mary Kom. She is an Olympic Indian boxer hailing from the Kom tribe in Manipur. She is a 5 times world amateur boxing champion and the only woman boxer to have won a medal in each one of the 6 world championships. Nicknamed Magnificent Mary, she is the only Indian woman boxer to have qualified for the summer 2012 Olympics, competing in the flyweight, that is 51 kg category, and winning the bronze medal. There had to be one successful story if Indians were to survive in sports, and we have that story now. Enough has been said about this great warrior who conquered the world. This warrior is none other than Mary Mangte Kom, the conqueror and the comrade. She is famed as a 5 times world boxing champion and the only boxer to win a medal in every one of the 6 world championships. In the 2012 Olympics, she became the first Indian woman boxer to qualify and win a bronze medal in the 51 kg flyweight category of boxing. Kom was born in Kangthai village, Moirang, Amkhai in Churachandpur district of rural Manipur in eastern India. She came from a poor family. Her parents, Mangte Tuanpa Kom and Mangte Akam Kom, were tenant farmers who worked in jhum fields. Here the word jhum means farming or shifting cultivation. Her father was a keen wrestler in his younger age. She had an eager interest in athletics since childhood, and the success of Dingo Singh, a fellow Manipuri who returned from the 1998 Bangkok Asian Games with a gold medal, Kom recollects, had inspired many youngsters in Manipur to try boxing, and she too thought of giving it a try. Kom grew up in humble surroundings, helping her parents with farm-related chores, going to school and learning athletics initially and later boxing simultaneously. Mary Kom's career started in 2000 After her victory in the Manipur State Women's Boxing Championship and the Regional Championship in West Bengal. In 2001, she started competing at international level. She was only 18 years old when she made her international debut at the first IBA Women's World Boxing Championship in United States, winning a silver medal in the 48 kg weight category. Here the word debut means first public appearance or performance. And here the word IBA. What is the full form of IBA? IBA A for association, I for international, B for boxing and A for amateur. It is Association International Boxing Amateur. Her greatness is reinforced by the way she apologized to the whole nation for not being able to win the gold. Here, the word reinforced means strengthen. She is a legend for sure and an idol for all the sportswomen to look up to. Here, the word legend means one who makes history. In an exclusive interview with Sportskeeda correspondent Taruka Srivastav, Olympic bronze medalist Mary Kom talked about her preparation for the Olympics and her elation at winning a medal. So, correspondent, the meaning of correspondent means reporter. Here, the word elation means great joy. So, there is a interview between Taruka Srivastav, who is the reporter. She is taking an interview of Mary Kom, and who is a Olympic bronze medalist, and she is talking about her preparation for the Olympics and her great joy after winning a medal. Interviewer. Who is the interviewer here? Taruka Srivastav. She is asking question to Mary Kom. So interviewer. First you are the first Indian female boxer to win an Olympics medal for India. Has the feeling completely sunk in? Here the word sunk in means realize and accept. Mary Kom, I am really happy with my achievement, and yes, it is yet to sunk in. I am just so exhilarated. Here the word exhilarated means very thrilled. Further, interviewer is asking to Mary Kom, you were the only female representative from India in boxing. Did that put additional pressure on you? Mary Kom, she replies that no, not at all. I was pretty confident about myself, I knew. Interviewer is asking question to Mary Kom. Your coach Charles Atkinson was not allowed to accompany you to the Olympics. How did that affect your preparations? Mary Kom replies that, well, I did miss him there, but thankfully we had already done our homework and I was well prepared. Again, interviewer is asking her, during your preparation for the Olympics, you sparred with the male boxer of the Indian contingent, who was your favorite sparring partner? Here, the word contingent means team, and the meaning of the word sparring means motions of boxing during training without landing actual blows. Mary Kom, she laughs and replied that, well, I trained hard in Pune and the male boxers were kind enough to practice with me whenever I required them. To name a favorite would be unfair. Again, interviewer is asking question to Mary Kom. She asked that you were quoted saying Adams was very clever, a counter puncher, but although she carried power, she wasn't very tactical. I was scoring, but the judges were not pressing the buttons. Do you think dodgy judging was part of the reason for your loss in the semi-finals? Here, the word counter puncher means opposite boxing player, and the word tactical means plan action to gain victory, and the word dodgy means unjust or partial. Mary Com replies, she says that, yes, I think some of the decisions were unfortunate and did not work to my benefits. Interviewer, India managed just 6 medals in the 2012 Olympics, even though we are a nation of 1 is to 3 billion people. Where do you think a change is required to help us win medals that are proportionate with our population? Mary Com, I think more and more people should take up sports as a full-time career if we want more gold medals. More corporates should come in and sponsor players so that the players don't have any financial pressure and can just focus on their games. Here the word corporates means companies or industries. Sponsor. The word sponsor means organization that pays or aids sportsmen or a sports event. Interviewer, do you think interest in boxing in India will ever go beyond the Olympics? Mary Com replies, yes, I am sure that in a few years boxing will be very popular among everyone in India all the year round. Interviewer, how aware are Indian women of their nutritional requirements? Diet and nutrition must have been a key factor in your conditioning for the Olympics. Do you think nutrition is a neglected area in Indian sports? The word conditioning means becoming fit. Mary Com replies, the awareness is growing now among the female athletes when it comes to nutritional requirements. Nutrition has definitely been a neglected area in Indian sports. I had to gain 3 kgs since I had to fight in the 51 kg even instead of the usual 48 kg that I fight in. So I had to focus on what to eat. I gain weight by eating the right kind of healthy food rather than bad saturated fats. Here the word saturated fats means unhealthy fats. Interviewer, how big a role did OGQ play in shaping the boxing scene in India for the better? Here the word OGQ What is the full form of OGQ? O for Olympic, G for gold, Q for quest. So it is Olympic Gold Quest. Mary Kom, OGQ, Olympic Gold Quest, really played an important part in my success. They helped me out whenever I needed something. They took care of everything, which helped me focus on my boxing and kept me stress free. Olympic Gold Quiz really played an important part in my success. They helped me out whenever I needed something. They took care of everything, which helped me focus on my boxing and kept me stress free. Interviewer, what's your opinion on the future of Indian boxing? Mary Kom, the future is very bright and I am sure many more boxers will get medal for us. Interviewer, do you find it difficult to convince your children not to fight when they watch you go out and do it in all the time? Interviewer, do you find it difficult to convince your children not to fight when they watch you go out and do it in style all the time? Here the word convince means to make someone agree. Ecom replies saying that, well, I have twins and yes, sometimes it becomes really difficult to keep them under control. Interviewer, will you train your kids to become boxers as well? Mary Kom, I haven't really thought about it. As of now, just let their mother box. Interviewer, you have broken several stereotypes about the woman in India by showing that women can compete with men in any field. But how good are you at the traditional feminine activities like cooking? Here the word stereotype means a fixed idea held as a common standard. Mary Kom, well, I am good at cooking and other household work too. Interviewer, would you be interested in coaching Indian women in boxing one day? Mary Kom, let's see, in the future maybe yes. Interviewer, what do you prefer, being called supermom or super boxer? Mary Kom, I love being a mom. That's the best thing that has ever happened to me.